Alright, so as you can see, I have a picture of evil Superman as my wallpaper. Well, it can be evil Superman or Superman that's just addicted to metal. And as you can see, it's not in the middle. It's not like I didn't try to do it. Look at it. So here's a picture in my gallery app. I have other pictures of superheroes because I don't have to say I'm a nerd. I'm going to set it as my wallpaper so you guys can see it in action, that I actually placed it in the middle like this, and I even zoomed it in and then tapped set wallpaper, and I'm just going to leave it as home screen. Now if I go back home, see, it's on the right side of the screen, not in the middle. If you're having this issue, I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So for those of you who just want the quick fix, I'm going to show you the quick fix, and for those of you who want to know why this happens, then stick around because I'll show you guys how or why it happens. Alright, so let me show you guys the quick fix. Now head back to your gallery app. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to align the picture how we want it to be as our wallpaper. So I want it to be in the middle, and I want to see his eyes. I'm just going to bring it down a little bit, and next thing you want to do is to take a screenshot of what you can see. To take a screenshot on most devices, you only have to press the volume down button and the power button simultaneously. So that's what I'm going to do. So I've taken the screenshot. Now I'm going to head back to my folders, to where my screenshots get saved to, and then this one is what I'm going to use as my wallpaper. So I'm just going to tap set as wallpaper. I don't have to adjust it or zoom in or out, so I'm just going to tap set wallpaper home screen. And now when I head back home, as you can see, it's in the middle. So that's just the quick fix. If you guys want to go ahead and create your wallpapers, go right ahead. And for those of you who want to know why this is happening this way, here's what I think you should know. So I'm just going to show you my phone's resolution. As you can see down here, it's 720 by 1640. Now this is one of the reasons why pictures don't get aligned the way you want them to be as your wallpaper, and I'm going to explain that with different pictures that I have. So I'm just going to head back to all my superhero pictures, and let's start with this one. This is Iron Man. And if I check the property of this picture, you see here it's 720 by 1281, which means it's a bit close to my resolution but not close enough. If I use this picture as my wallpaper, it's not going to be in the middle. And the best picture I've had that's close to the middle or in the middle is this one, and I'll show you why. If you check the resolution of this picture, you can see that it is 720 by 1562. Now it's a bit closer to 720 by 1640 compared to the rest of the pictures I have. So I'm just going to use this as my wallpaper now. I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to set it as my wallpaper. And now when I go home, so you see it's in the middle, like relatively in the middle. And that's just how it works. When you get a picture that you want to use as your wallpaper, it has to be in the same dimension as your screen resolution. If it's not, then take a screenshot of that picture. So when you check the properties of that screenshot, you're going to see that it has the same resolution as your phone's display. And that's basically all I can tell you about aligning wallpapers to the middle of your phone. If you found the video helpful, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye bye.